My name is Patricia Gabaldón. I'm professor of economics at IE Business School. What we are seeing these days is that, whatever the US is doing with the trade policies that they are following and everything that is happening with tariffs is going to be affecting all of us. So the class today has been more about how Europe is going to be affected by that, how China has been affected by that, but essentially how tariffs are increasing prices and making all of us to have like a harder time in the near future. What we do in one of these sessions, is to try to give like a teaser, as you said. I mean, the idea is to have like a mock class. What is that we do in class? How do we interact with the students? What is the case study? How do we actually make them learn? And this is something that you can learn in only one session. So if you come to one of these open house classes, what you can see is how we teach here, how you can learn and how you can benefit of all the IE environment that we have.